Ever wondered what could end humanity as we know it? I mean, besides ourselves, of course. We humans do seem to have a knack for tempting fate. But what about threats from beyond our pale blue dot? Well, buckle up, space cadets, because today we're diving headfirst into the cosmic abyss to explore the top 5 cosmic threats that could wipe us out. And yes, that eerie background music is totally necessary. It adds to the ambience, you know? From rogue planets playing interstellar bowling to the universe's deadliest laser show, we're ranking the cosmic calamities most likely to send us the way of the dinosaurs. You know, extinction style. So, if you're feeling lucky, or perhaps just morbidly curious, stick around to find out what cosmic curveballs the universe might throw our way. We humans like to think we're pretty hot stuff here on Earth. And hey, in our defense, we invented pizza. But let's face it, folks, in the grand cosmic scheme of things, we're just a tiny speck of dust orbiting an average star in a run-of-the-mill galaxy. And the universe? Well, the universe is a vast, wild, and often chaotic place. It's teeming with celestial objects and phenomena that are awe-inspiring, beautiful, and yes, sometimes downright terrifying. It's not just aliens we need to worry about, though they're on the list too, of course. Cosmic events destroying life on Earth. We're talking about cosmic events so powerful, so destructive, they could obliterate life on our planet in the blink of a cosmic eye. Think asteroid impacts, supernova explosions, and even rogue black holes roaming the cosmos like cosmic predators. So, if you thought your daily commute was dangerous, just be grateful you don't have to navigate asteroid belts or outrun a gamma-ray burst. Trust me, those are commutes you wouldn't survive. First up on our cosmic hit list, asteroids. These space rocks are like the universe's way of playing a high-stakes game of dodgeball with Earth. And trust me, you do not want to be on the receiving end of one of these throws. Scientists from around the world will say, now asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, from small pebbles to massive chunks of rock bigger than Mount Everest. And while most asteroids harmlessly burn up in our atmosphere, occasionally one sneaks through. And when it does, it can pack quite a punch. Just ask the dinosaurs. They learned the hard way about the destructive power of asteroids 66 million years ago when a 6-mile-wide behemoth slammed into Earth, triggering a global cataclysm that wiped out an estimated 76% of all plant and animal species on the planet. But hey, at least it made for a spectacular light show, right? Well, not if you were a dinosaur, I guess. So, we've talked about asteroids, those cosmic pebbles with a penchant for planetary billiards, but let's crank up the danger dial a few notches. Next up, supernova. Imagine a star, millions of times larger than our sun, ending its life in a blaze of glory. We're talking about a cosmic fireworks show so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. Beautiful, right? Well, not so fast. Because this celestial light show comes with a deadly catch-intense radiation. Think of it like this. If a star goes supernova too close to Earth, it's like being at a rock concert, front row center. But instead of music, you get blasted with lethal cosmic rays. Now, before you start packing your bags for a galaxy far, far away, the good news is, a supernova has to be relatively close to pose a serious threat to life on Earth. We're talking within a few dozen light years. Cosmically speaking, that's like your next-door neighbor. Okay, we've talked about asteroids, those space rocks with a bad attitude, and supernova, the explosive grand finales of massive stars. Asteroids with their unpredictable paths can cause significant damage if they collide with a planet. Supernova, on the other hand, are the dramatic deaths of stars, releasing an immense amount of energy and scattering elements across the cosmos. These events are awe-inspiring and terrifying in their own right. But if you're ready for the cosmic threat that'll really make your hair stand on end, then hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the world of gamma-ray bursts. These are not just any ordinary cosmic events. They are the universe's ultimate laser show, capable of outshining everything else in the galaxy. Imagine this, a beam of energy so intense, so concentrated, that it makes a supernova look like a flickering candle. Supernova, as powerful as they are, pale in comparison to the sheer force of a gamma-ray burst. It's like comparing a firecracker to a nuclear explosion. That, my friends, is a gamma-ray burst, or GRB for short. These bursts are the most luminous electromagnetic events known to occur in the universe. They can release more energy in a few seconds than the sun will in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. It's like the universe took all the energy of a star and focused it into a single deadly beam, like a cosmic laser pointer, but 1,000,000 trillion times more powerful. Imagine a laser pointer that could vaporize entire planets and even affect distant galaxies. These bursts of gamma rays, the highest energy form of light, are thought to be released during some of the most cataclysmic events in the universe, like the collapse of a massive star into a black hole or the collision of two neutron stars. When a massive star runs out of fuel, its core collapses, and if conditions are right, a gamma ray burst can be produced. Similarly, when two neutron stars spiral into each other and merge, the resulting explosion can also generate a GRB. We're talking about events so powerful, they can literally warp the fabric of space-time. The energy released is so immense that it can create ripples in space-time, known as gravitational waves, which can be detected millions of light years away. Now, the good news, if you can call it that, is that GRBs are incredibly rare. They occur only a few times per galaxy per million years. This rarity means that the chances of a GRB affecting Earth are extremely low. They're also incredibly brief, lasting anywhere from a few milliseconds to a few minutes. Despite their short duration, the impact they have on their surroundings is profound. In those fleeting moments, they can outshine entire galaxies. But in that short amount of time, they can unleash more energy than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. This energy is released in the form of gamma rays, which are the most energetic form of light. If a GRB were to occur close to Earth, it could strip away the ozone layer, leading to catastrophic consequences for life on our planet. Scientists around the world are studying gamma ray bursts to understand their origins and the mechanisms behind their immense power. Advanced telescopes and detectors are constantly scanning the skies, hoping to catch these fleeting events and learn more about the extreme conditions that produce them. While the direct threat to Earth from a gamma ray burst is minimal, understanding these powerful events helps us gain insight into the most violent processes in the universe. It also reminds us of the incredible forces at play in the cosmos, forces that can shape galaxies and influence the evolution of stars and planets. The universe is a vast and dynamic place, filled with wonders and dangers beyond our imagination. Gamma ray bursts are just one example of the extraordinary phenomena that occur in the cosmos. As we continue to explore and learn, we uncover more about the nature of the universe and our place within it. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that out there, among the stars, are events so powerful and so rare that they challenge our understanding of physics and the limits of human knowledge. The universe's ultimate laser show is a testament to the awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying beauty of the cosmos. Black holes. Just the name conjures up images of cosmic doom, right? They're like the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, except instead of just sucking up dust bunnies under your bed, they're capable of devouring entire stars, planets, even light itself. Now that's a cleaning service you don't want to subscribe to. But here's the thing about black holes, they're not actually out there hunting for their next meal. They're more like cosmic couch potatoes just sitting there in space, minding their own business. The real danger comes when something gets too close, crosses what we call the event horizon, the point of no return. After that, well, let's just say it's spaghetti time. You see, as something gets closer to a black hole, the gravitational pull becomes so intense that it stretches everything out like spaghetti. This process, aptly named spaghettification, is not something you want to experience firsthand. Trust me on this one. Thankfully, we don't know of any black holes lurking in our immediate cosmic neighborhood. The closest one we've found is thousands of light years away. So while the thought of being stretched out like a cosmic noodle might keep you up at night, rest assured it's not exactly a pressing concern. Now, let's talk about rogue planets, those cosmic nomads wandering the vast emptiness of space without a star to call their own. These planets are fascinating anomalies in the universe, drifting aimlessly through the cosmos. Unlike the planets in our solar system, which are tethered to the sun by gravity, rogue planets have been ejected from their original star systems. This could happen due to gravitational interactions with other planets or stars, or even as a result of a cataclysmic event like a supernova. Imagine being a planet, cast out from your solar system, left to drift through the cosmos like a lost sock in the cosmic laundry. It's a lonely existence, floating through the dark, cold void of space with no star to provide warmth or light. These planets are essentially cosmic orphans, and their journeys can take them across the galaxy, sometimes even between galaxies. Talk about a bad breakup. But it's not just about loneliness. These rogue planets can be incredibly dangerous. Without the stabilizing influence of a star, their paths are unpredictable, and they can travel at incredible speeds, sometimes tens of thousands of miles per hour. These rogue planets are like the universe's version of a cosmic wrecking ball. They have the potential to cause massive destruction if they come into contact with other celestial bodies. Imagine a giant, unmoored planet hurtling through space, smashing into anything in its path. The impact would be catastrophic, releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. You see, while most planets enjoy a stable orbit around their host star, rogue planets are free agents, roaming the galaxy with no fixed address. This freedom means they can travel vast distances, crossing the paths of other star systems and potentially causing chaos. Their erratic trajectories make them difficult to track, and they can appear seemingly out of nowhere. And because they're not bound to any particular star system, they can have some pretty erratic trajectories, crossing paths with other planetary systems, including our own. This means that, theoretically, a rogue planet could enter our solar system and wreak havoc. The gravitational forces of such a planet could disrupt the orbits of the planets in our solar system, leading to collisions or even ejecting planets from the solar system entirely. Now, you might be thinking, what are the chances of a rogue planet actually colliding with Earth? And you'd be right to think that. The vastness of space makes such an event highly unlikely. The distances between stars and planets are so immense that the odds of a rogue planet intersecting with our solar system are incredibly small. Space is incredibly vast, and the odds of two planets colliding are astronomically small. However, the universe is a place of infinite possibilities, and even the smallest chance can have significant consequences. Scientists estimate that there could be billions of rogue planets in our galaxy alone, each one a potential threat. But hey, it's still a possibility, right? And in the cosmic game of billiards, even a small chance can have catastrophic consequences. Just like in a game of pool, where a single shot can change the entire game, a rogue planet entering our solar system could alter the course of history. The gravitational interactions could be enough to destabilize the orbits of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Imagine a rogue planet, say the size of Jupiter, barreling through our solar system. Its immense gravity would disrupt the orbits of planets, sending them careening into each other or flinging them out of the solar system entirely. The gravitational pull of such a massive object would be felt across the entire solar system, causing chaos and destruction. Its immense gravity would disrupt the orbits of planets, sending them careening into each other or flinging them out of the solar system entirely. The gravitational forces could also affect the asteroid belt, sending asteroids hurtling towards the inner planets, including Earth. The potential for destruction is immense, and the consequences would be felt for millions of years. And if it were to collide with Earth, well, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. The impact would be devastating, likely causing mass extinctions and altering the course of life on our planet forever. The energy released would be enough to vaporize entire continents and create massive shockwaves that would be felt around the world. It's a sobering thought, but one that reminds us of the incredible power and unpredictability of the universe. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 cosmic threats that could potentially end life as we know it. From asteroid impacts to supernova explosions, gamma-ray bursts, black holes and rogue planets, the universe has a whole arsenal of ways to keep us on our toes. But instead of letting these cosmic threats keep you up at night, I say embrace the wonder and awe of it all. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of incredible beauty and terrifying power. It's a reminder that we are but a small part of something much grander than ourselves. And who knows, maybe by understanding these cosmic threats, we can better prepare for them and ensure the survival of our species for generations to come. After all, we're a species of explorers, innovators, and dreamers. And as long as we keep our eyes on the stars, I'm confident that we can overcome any challenge the universe throws our way. Now, if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing content, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love and maybe a little bit of cosmic awareness. Until next time, keep looking up. The cosmos is not just a place of danger, but also a source of endless fascination. Imagine the joy of discovering a new star or witnessing a meteor shower with your loved ones. Our solar system alone is a treasure trove of wonders, from the rings of Saturn to the icy plains of Pluto. And let's not forget the incredible achievements of space exploration, like landing on the Moon or sending rovers to Mars. The International Space Station stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. Every day, scientists and engineers are pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can do. Who knows, maybe one day we'll even establish colonies on other planets. The journey to the stars is just beginning, and it's a journey we can all be a part of. Education and curiosity are our greatest tools in this adventure. By fostering a love for space in the next generation, we ensure that the spirit of exploration lives on. With new technologies like virtual reality, we can bring the wonders of the cosmos closer to home. The universe also inspires art, music, and literature, enriching our culture and sparking our imagination. No matter where we come from, the night sky unites us all under a shared sense of wonder. So as we look up at the stars, let's remember that we are all part of this incredible cosmic journey together. Let's cherish the beauty, embrace the mystery, and continue to dream big. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep being curious.